Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, the coolest place to learn and have fun. Today, we are diving into a super exciting topic, estimation strategies. Grab your explorer hats, because we are about to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of rounding and approximation. What is estimation? Well, it's like having a superpower. It allows us to make quick and clever guesses about things, even before we have all the information. Imagine you want to know how many pebbles are in this jar. Counting them all would take forever. But with estimation, we can get a pretty good idea without counting each one. One powerful tool for estimation is rounding. Rounding means finding the nearest whole number to a given number. For example, if you have 38 pebbles, you can round it up to 40. It's like climbing a ladder, you're getting closer to the top. Remember, rounding up means getting closer to the bigger whole number, while rounding down means getting closer to the smaller one. Imagine you have 24 marbles. How many marbles are there roughly? If you count the marbles, you'll find there are 24. But we can estimate the number without counting. Looking at the picture, it seems like the child is holding roughly 2 handfuls of marbles. If we know that each handful contains approximately 10 marbles, then we can estimate that there are about 20 marbles. This is just an approximation, and the actual number may be slightly different. However, it gives us a pretty good idea of how many marbles there are without having to count them all. Now, let's venture into the world of approximation, another awesome tool in our estimation toolbox. Let's say you are measuring the height of a tree. You don't need to be exact, just close enough. Let's imagine the tree is 24 feet tall. Instead of saying 24, we can round it to 20, making it easier to work with. That's approximation, at its finest, finding a friendly number close to the real answer. Approximation can be especially helpful when we don't have exact measurements. It's like being a detective. We use clues and our knowledge to come up with a reasonable guess. Alright, explorers. Time for some hands-on fun. Imagine we are on a treasure hunt, and we come across a chest full of jewels. How many do you think are in there? Can you round or approximate to find a close answer? Let your imagination run wild. What's your estimation superpower telling you about the number of jewels in that treasure chest? But hey, estimation isn't just for treasure hunts. It's everywhere around us. When you're helping out in the kitchen, planning a birthday party, or shopping for goodies, estimation makes things way easier. Real-world examples. A child estimating the number of leaves on a tree. A group of students estimating the length of a classroom. A scientist estimating the time it takes for a plant to grow. A chef estimating the amount of ingredients needed for a recipe. A construction worker estimating the amount of materials needed for a project. As you can see, estimation is used everywhere in science and everyday life. It's a valuable skill that helps us think critically and solve problems, make quick decisions and adapt to new situations, develop our mathematical skills and understanding. If you had fun and learned something new, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more thrilling learning adventures. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because the learning party never stops. Share this video with your friends, because learning is even more fantastic when we do it together. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.